Patriotic fervor has gripped the entire nation as thousands take part in Tiranga rallies to celebrate India's Operation Sindoor success. From Delhi to Lucknow, Guwahati to Dehradun, Itanagar to Bhubaneswar, people united for the Tiranga Shaurya Samman Yatra as a mark of honor and respect for the forces. Holding the tricolour high, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath flagged off the Bharat Shaurya Tiranga Yatra today and commended the armed forces for successfully striking terror infrastructure in the failed nation of Pakistan. The success of Operation Sindoor, carried out in retaliation to the April 22nd Pahalgam terror attack, sent a powerful message to India's enemies, he said. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami led the Tiranga Shaurya Samman Yatra in Dehradun in honour of the Indian Armed Forces. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, along with BJP National General Secretary Tarun Chugh, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva and other senior leaders and workers joined the Yatra in the national capital. So these are the visuals coming in from the Kartavya Path in Delhi. So patriotic fervor has gripped the entire nation. Viewers, so as you can see on your screens, thousands took to the streets today to take part in Tiranga rallies to celebrate India's Operation Sindoor success. So India, the entire nation is celebrating India's spectacular attack on Pakistan. Alright, so we are showing you visuals from different parts of the nation. So from Delhi to Lucknow, Guwahati to Dehradun, Itanagar to Bhubaneswar. So that you can see people united in large number for the Tiranga Shaurya Samman Yatra as a mark of honor and respect for the forces. So holding the tricolour, people celebrating India's success. So Tiranga rallies being held across the country to honor the valor of the forces. The success of Operation Sindoor is being celebrated in the entire nation today. Viewers, you can see thousands taking part in the Tiranga rallies held across the nation. So we are showing you visuals coming in from different parts of the country. So people in thousands, they took to the streets today and held a Tiranga rally to celebrate India's success. So the Yatra is being held to honor the valor of the Indian Armed Forces and highlight the success of Operation Sindoor. So as you can see, the Yatra is being seen as more than just a party initiative for the BJP. aiming to turn it into a large-scale people movement celebrating Operation Sindoor's success.